Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2005 Hyundai Elantra GL hatch, stock reference number 4493. This shape runs from the 2nd month 2002 through to the 7th month 2006. It has a G4GC 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. G4GC 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the right-hand headlight, radiator grille. This vehicle is fitted with 15-inch steel rims. The left front has a good tyre, left power door mirror, left front door has one small dent, left rear door has multiple small dents, left rear 15-inch steel rim with a good tyre. We have the left-hand tail light. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Right-hand tail light, right rear 15-inch steel rim with a good tyre. Right front door has multiple small dents. Right power door mirror is faded. Right guard has 2 small dents and a right front 15-inch steel rim with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black and grey cloth interior. It's got a little bit of wear on the driver's side outside seat base. Automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, single stack CD player. Interior mirror, left hand sun visor, and the instrument cluster. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.